How to fix Norton LiveUpdate fail to complete issue. Norton is one of the best-known antiviruses which lets you enjoy surfing without any threats. One of the issues which are faced by users, i.e. Norton LiveUpdate failed to complete. Some of the methods to fix Norton LiveUpdate failed to complete issue. Reinstall Norton. Check firewall exception. Reinstall Norton. One of the easy and simple to work for Norton is to reinstall the software. 1. Go to the Norton official website and download the Norton removal tool. 2. Double the file to run and click on Remove and Reinstall. 3. Now click on Remove to remove the Norton antivirus. 4. After the uninstallation, restart your PC. 5. Install the Norton antivirus software again. Check firewall exception 1. To manage that, you can reconnect your switch, reset all gear like we previously exhorted, and search for changes. 2. On the off chance that those activities are without much of any result, make a point to altogether review the firewall part of your anti-malware suite. 3. You can make exemptions to let singular projects, like programs and email customers, to convey through the firewall. Our experts can resolve this issue for you. For immediate assistance, visit our website given in the description. Visit support365.us.